Hi guys, in this video I am going to be explaining you completing the square with a visual representation of the method to solve it. So let me just give you a visual representation of this equation over here. X squared plus 10x equals to 39. Okay, 39 in this case is c, I just brought it to the other side. Okay, now look at this. Okay, we can think of this as a square that has sides of x and x. So this shows its area. So what's the area of a square that has sides x and x? It's going to be x squared, right? Now let's do the same for this. Okay, let's say this side is x. Okay, you can see it's same over here. It's the same. Now 10. Let's say 10 is this. Okay, let's say this much is 10. Okay, let's say that's 10. Now the area of this square is gonna rectangle actually is gonna be 10x because it's length multiplied by width. Now, the sum of the area of these two shapes is going to equal to a shape that has a square of area 39. So, uh, let's do something real quick, okay? Let's take this shape and divide it into this to make a square, okay? So, let's cut it in half this way, okay? Let's cut it in half this way, okay? So that's gonna give us sides of 5 centimeters here and 5 centimeters here. Let me just draw it down over here to explain you real quick, okay? So here's our original box, okay? X and X, okay? Now we have our 5 centimeter by X rectangle, okay? Let's take this and bring it over here, okay? I can see that I've drawn it a bit short, but there you go, okay? Perfect, okay? Now this side over here is x long and this is 5. All right, now let's take the other half of this side. We've taken this side over here, right? Now let's take this side, flip it and bring it around here. Okay, so what that would look like is something like this: 5 centimeters here and x over here. Now if you notice one thing, we have something missing, right? This area is missing, right? So the area over here is what we call completing the square. All right, so what is this area over here? This area is 5 by 5, so essentially it's 25. Okay, and this is going to equal to our original number, which is 39, which is our original square, plus another square, which is this one of 25. All right, now let's sum it up on this side. What does 39 plus 25 make? 64, right? Now, if we look at this, what is this? A rectangle or a square? It's a square. And what is the length of one side? That would be x plus 5. So if we were to take the area of this square, what would the area be? X plus 5 into x plus 5. So x plus 5 squared, right? So x plus 5 squared equals to 64. Now, many of you already may know how to solve this from here. But for those of you who still have no clue, let me help you out a bit. Okay, so we have x plus 5 square, which equals to 64, right? Let's take the square root of this and on the other side as well. So the square cancels out and the square root of 64 is 8. So 8 equals to x plus 5. Now when you take the square root of anything, you may know that the answer results in a positive number and a negative number. So we have positive 8 and negative 8, right? So from here, let's bring 5 to the other side. Okay, we have x equals to plus minus 8 minus 5. So let's solve the equations both ways. So one option is that we have positive 8, so it's going to be x equals to 8 minus 5, and the other option is that x 8 is negative, so negative 8 minus 5. So for the first instance we are going to get x as 3, and for the second one we are going to get x as negative 12. It's as simple as that. So basically what we did was found the area missing and used that basically to simplify the equation and get us the answer quickly. And you may have noted that we did this without the use of a calculator, because 64 is a perfect square. We all know what the square root of 64 is, right? And we can do basic addition in our head. At least I hope so. So uh, this was pretty easy. It's a pretty easy method that you can use to solve quadratic equations, especially for completing the square in the exam. If you're stuck, just visualize it like this, and I hope you'll be able to uh, find your way out of that question. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this video helped you even a tiny bit, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos that may help you in your exams further. Until the next one, see you.